Ever dreamt of ditching the bulky cash register and running your entire store from your pocket? Well, with the rise of mobile point-of-sale POS systems, that dream is becoming a reality. But with so many options on the market, is there one that stands out? Today, we're diving deep into Shopify POS Go, a brand new all-in-one mobile POS device designed to simplify your sales on the go. We'll be dissecting everything from its sleek design and features to its ease of use and whether it lives up to the hype of being the best new mobile POS system. So, whether you're a seasoned store owner or a budding entrepreneur looking to streamline your hustle, buckle up, because this video is for you. The rise of mobile POS. Convenience meets efficiency. Let's face it, lugging around a clunky cash register isn't exactly ideal. Mobile POS systems offer a refreshing alternative, transforming your smartphone or tablet into a powerful sales tool. Imagine processing transactions from anywhere on the shop floor, ringing up customers at pop-up events, or even managing your inventory while you're on the go. This convenience factor is a game changer, especially for businesses that prioritize a customer-centric experience. No more long lines or waiting for cashiers. Mobile POS allows for faster checkouts, keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. But convenience isn't the only perk. Mobile POS systems often come packed with powerful features, like real-time inventory tracking, integrated customer management, and detailed sales reports, all accessible with a few taps on your screen. This data empowers you to make informed decisions about your business, optimize stock levels, and personalize customer interactions. Introducing Shopify POS Go, an all-in-one powerhouse. Shopify, a titan in the e-commerce world, has thrown its hat into the mobile POS ring with the introduction of Shopify POS Go. This sleek, handheld device is more than just a pretty face. It's a complete POS solution designed for businesses of all sizes. Unboxing and first impressions. Insert B-roll footage of unboxing and setting up Shopify POS Go. Right off the bat, Shopify POS Go makes a great first impression. The device feels sturdy yet lightweight, and its minimalist design exudes a sense of professionalism. Setting it up is a breeze. Just download the Shopify POS app, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to roll. Taking a deep dive into features. Now, let's delve into the features that make Shopify POS Go a compelling option. First and foremost, it's a barcode scanner, card reader, and receipt printer all rolled into one. This eliminates the need for juggling multiple devices, streamlining your checkout process. Adding products to your cart is intuitive, with the option to search by name or scan barcodes for lightning-fast transactions. Shopify POS Go also integrates seamlessly with your existing Shopify store, so your product inventory and customer data are always synced. But what truly sets Shopify POS Go apart is its user-friendly interface. The app is clean, well-organized, and easy to navigate, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Whether you're training a new employee or a seasoned salesperson picking up the device for the first time, navigating POS Go is a smooth and intuitive experience. Beyond the basics, advanced functionality. While Shopify POS Go excels in its core functionalities, it offers some impressive extras. You can manage discounts and promotions on the fly, keep track of low stock levels, and even access detailed sales reports to gain valuable insights into your business performance. Plus, Shopify POS Go integrates with a variety of third-party apps, allowing you to customize your POS experience to fit your specific needs. Whether you need a loyalty program app, a receipt printing solution, or an inventory management tool, there's likely an app out there to enhance your Shopify POS Go experience. Is Shopify POS Go the best new mobile POS? So, the big question, is Shopify POS Go the best new mobile POS system on the market? The answer, like most things in business, depends on your individual needs. If you're a Shopify user looking for a simple, user-friendly mobile POS solution that integrates seamlessly with your existing store, then Shopify POS Go is definitely a strong contender. Its compact design, all-in-one functionality, and ease of use make it a compelling option for businesses of all sizes, from solopreneurs to established retailers. Whether Shopify POS Go is your perfect match or not, it represents a significant step forward in the mobile POS landscape. As technology evolves, we can expect even more powerful and versatile mobile POS systems to emerge, further blurring the lines between traditional cash registers and the smartphones we carry with us every day. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling.